Girl. Hi. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza a lot.
Pizza is tasty and fun.
Yes, I like cheese pizza.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, but only simple food.
Same. I cook rice and eggs.
Rice and eggs are easy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
I love very spicy food.
Wow, you are brave.
Do you eat sweets often?
Yes, I like chocolate cakes.
Cakes make me very happy.
Same. Cakes are perfect treats.
What do you want today?
Maybe noodles or pizza.
Noodles sound good to me.
Yes, hot noodles taste great.
Okay, let's eat together later.
Sure, that will be nice.
I will message you soon.